the four worthy crusts, through which knights of worth, fair gracious company, is one of the best, and the one that best welcomes love. So I strive both in other ways and with songs, that my affairs be cherished by the courtly. For a graceless man, though he be worthy, is hardly of use for loving well. Because of undiscerning ladies who attend for every other one, my senses somewhat changed, for most of them do not know how to understand praise. So I do not wish to place my fair, pleasing, precious words before their foolish thoughts, since pleasure is not held as sovereign. Rather I turn myself toward other themes. I shall tell you of my desires, about which I have been mute and silent. While I was their well-wisher, fear took it from me. Look now if it is truly an error in courting, that an ill-taught, unknown, miserly man, an overbold speaker of foolish speech, is welcome before us, and each of them wants to have two. I do not wish to be knowing of the deceits that you all know, of which ladies say that my worth is less because of it, and that of other discerning men. Yet no man who knew them so clearly would ever have covered them so nobly, or made them so apparent. For one is always negligent toward him whom one knows to be a friend. If ladies have led me badly, and you have done your duties by them, there have remained with me knowingly song and love, will, boldness and fears, humility and suffering and concealment, speaking when needful and silence when I must be silent. Such am I, noble and amorous, because my lady wished me to be so. With such conduct as this, as you shall hear if you wish, I know her there whose person is noble and her worth pure, and with few suitors young, loyal, dear, without any deceits, gay and pleasing, so that scarcely any praise can name her rich worth or her features, or recount them in songs. For this one I am more prized by the others. If through mercy it please her to accept my prayers, I give her my heart and both my eyes, and my rival in my songs. Loyal one, if love and courting fail me, I have chosen among lords beyond my equals my Audiard, who is so good to me that I am faithful to him above other barons.